Okay, so 215 Scar VXS, I believe. RP35. That random battery right there, JSR.
Nice. You used to have 3 subs.
I did, it was wild.
I remember, yep. Okay.
Nice. And had to go a different route.
All right. Is it the same vehicle or different vehicle?
The same car. Yeah,
okay.
Car.
Oh, so this is where it used to be right here.
Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
And you can see a little bit here and a little bit there.
Okay. Nice.
Shop all things car audio at Sonic Electronics and use discount code JacobViral at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
So what is your tuning on the box?
It's supposed to be 28.
28. Okay.
It'll play down to about 17 for the decent.
Okay.
The decent 35.
Okay.
It does 26 real good. It'll get a little stinky though, but I'll let them stink for you.
Okay.
It won't be the first time you see it.
No sir. So what is your sub amp wire to?
Half.
Oh, so this is a half ohm?
It is not, but it's doing it.
Oh, really?
I think I got box rise enough that this is okay.
Yeah.
It don't really get hot.
Yes, sir. And what's your bot cubic space on it? Do you know the box?
About 8.
8.
About 8 cubes.
That's kind of big. Okay. Not bad. All right. Yeah, man.
I built it pretty small the first time and it just didn't do that great.
Yeah.
So, we did
Oh, okay. Your port's here. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
kind of big.
All right. Nice. And a new invert. Have you tried mounting them regular first?
I did, and it just didn't play the lows like I liked it.
Yeah.
Plus, you get to see the button, you know?
Yes, sir. Looks good. So these are dual ones or dual twos?
Dual twos.
Dual twos down to half. Okay.
I had it at 2. It was all right, and I was like, "There's more power." It's always the
way
answer.
more. Yeah.
It's always the answer.
Yes, sir. Nice. How long have you had these subs for?
Maybe 5 months.
Okay. So they're broken in good bit?
I hope so.
Yeah.
I mean, I play them every day on the way to work
Okay.
and on the way home.
All right. All right.
This play flow is pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear, man.
Just throw this song back over here.
And that got down probably what? High 20?
I think it was 25.
25, okay.
Let's see what this sounds like.
Thank you. Nice to see you again, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice in the back.
You smell them a little bit?
A little bit, yeah. When you play so long in a lower note, that power on them, yeah.